Hi all, I am Dr. Rajiv, specialist in physical medicine and rehabilitation. This video is about the ring writer clip, which is a small but a significant tool designed to enhance grasp and fine motor skills, particularly for individuals with limited hand dexterity or strength. This innovative device consists of a lightweight plastic ring that slips comfortably onto the user's finger, accompanied by a small clip extending from the ring. By securing the writing instrument within this small clip, the user can effortlessly maintain a stable grip without the need for excessive pressure or strain. This promotes proper finger positioning and control during writing tasks, facilitating smoother and more legible handwriting. The ring writer clip is not only practical but also discreet, making it an ideal aid for individuals of all ages in classrooms, workplaces, and daily activities, empowering them to express themselves with confidence and ease.